Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. In today's video, it is a lip application and that's for Aged Graceful Michelle. Please go visit Michelle at Age Graceful is the name of the channel. I did a lip application with some crystals and stones and she requested if I can do it a little closer so she can see the application. So Michelle from Aged Graceful, this is for you. I'm doing a black lip and I'll put the crystals on so you can see. I'm not sure what color crystals on yet. I'm going to use my NYX glitter glue. And I'll put that all over my lips so it can hold the stones. Glue is on. Now I have these colors. You can see them better this way. So I'm going to use some of them. It takes a little while to do them because you have to take your time to put the stones. But it's really cute, it's pretty. If you have some of those stones, take them out and create a look. Do something beautiful. First off, you have to take the stones and put them flat on something. So I'm just taking 3 of them and put them in the palm of my hands. I don't know if you can see, but like this. And then I take this end and I suction it in like this, and then see it fall. So the palm of my hand is not the best place to put it. I'll put it flat down on the mirror. I'll suction it in like this, and I will place it where I need it. This end is to fix everything properly. As you can see, the first one gave me a little bit of trouble to go in, so I'm not quite sure why, but that's the nature of the game. Second one went a little better. As it gets more and more, we will see it much better. Michelle, I hope I'm coming close enough. So I'll come a little closer just to make sure I have it in view for you. This one is for Michelle. I use red on the bottom lip. Now I'm going to use silver on the top lip. Now, Michelle, this is the lip, art lip, crystal lip, whichever way you choose to call it. This is what I created. So I just put a red in the bottom and I put the white crystal ones on top. I just wanted to create a simple one, so Michelle, so you could see what it looks like. Hope you enjoy seeing me doing this. I love playing with different types of stuff to create looks. And again, please go visit Aged Graceful. This was requested by her.